Today we're going to tackle the fridge and the pantry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tamara. I have got to get the fridge deep cleaned, wipe off all the shelves, get everything organized in there. And then I do plan on cleaning out the everyday pantry, getting it restocked and everything. Let's go ahead and get right into it and get this stuff in order. Here is a before. Goodness gracious, it definitely needs to be cleaned.
Hold on, baby, I don't dance, but how I love to be around you. I'm not scared to take a chance. Yeah, I'm so happy that I found you. And you know that I'm yours, alright. You can tell by the look in my eyes. Don't wanna play it cool, I give it straight from the heart. Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. You can show me how to move, 'cause I don't wanna be sitting alone. I don't care what road you choose. Don't wanna go back to who I was before. And I know that you might know right. I can tell by the look in your eyes. Don't wanna play it cool, I give it straight from the heart. Oh, how I love to be around you. We got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, how I love to be around you. Oh, we got something better than the others. We can fly higher than an eagle. Take me somewhere we can be together. Oh, how I love to be around you. Love the way you make me feel good. Love the way you say my name. And how I wanna build my whole world with you and no one else. And now our love will make us so much better. There will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I'll give you what you want. Here comes the down times when you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say you're too hard to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up for someone better. But no, she's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. baby, you're not. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Try again. No, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try again. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I get up and try again. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I ain't never gonna give you up. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I get up and try. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No.
Looks so much better. Definitely needed a good wipe down. Now let's head into the pantry. Okay, so here is my everyday pantry. I need to get it restocked and organized. With spring break last week, I didn't do nothing, and then the neighbor kids were over the last half of the week, so there's just stuff everywhere. So let's go through here. The top is normally stays as is because that's my baking, all that stuff, but we'll just kind of go through, do a restock, pull from our prepper pantry, put it in here, and then I really need to write down what I need for snacks. Y'all know school's about to end, so I need to figure out my snack situation because, you know, Winston's home, he eats a lot more snacks, and then neighbor kids come over and play throughout the day, all through the summer. So, and I'm one of those mamas that I'm gonna have snacks for anybody and everybody. And Winston knows that as well because he's really bad about saying, hey, do you want a snack? Hey, do you want a drink? Which is super cute, and he gets that from me, so I totally understand. But I've got to write down what I need, and I'm definitely going to go to Sam's Club, hopefully at the end of the month, and stock up in like bulk on our snacks. So hopefully that will last us hopefully till the end of the summer, but probably not. Just depends on who comes in and out of here throughout the summer. But let's get this organized.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. Close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the wild, gotta get it right now.
I think it looks much better. Got everything all straightened up. I restocked, pulled from the prepper pantry. Don't forget, if you're new here, the canning rack, Amazon, I have it linked to my Amazon storefront. The plastic containers, which I absolutely love, also came from Amazon. I have both of those linked to my Amazon storefront. I need to get some more, honestly. I love those. But I think we got everything. Can't open the store. Got everything good to go. I'm finally glad I was able to get in here and get this done. It had been a minute since I was able to do a restock. If you missed me making my own instant rice, I'll have that video linked down below for you guys. But it worked. I'm so happy. I did have to cook it 2 extra minutes in the microwave, but honestly, I really don't care because it still worked, and it was way more, it was way quicker than going ahead and cooking up regular rice. So now that I tried it, I only did a little bit because I, had never made it myself before. Now that I tried it, I definitely need to do a bunch so that way I can, keep stock of minute rice. So that will be happening soon as well. But like I said, I will have that video linked down below. In that video, I also did my own brownie mixes. I love keeping those in here as well. Super easy. It's just like having a box. It's just in a jar. But that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope it gave you some motivation to get up, get to cleaning, whatever you might need to clean. Maybe you're cleaning along while you're watching this video. But hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.